Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a while. A while meaning a couple months. Colorado was a lot of fun. It was different from Texas, anything that I've ridden before. So it took a little bit to get used to, but I have some footage that I might just put in this vlog because honestly, once I fell and my bike was acting up the whole fucking trip, I was like, okay, I am not doing this. So yeah, I was very frustrated, and you'll probably see that and hear that in some of the footage. But it was so much fun. We went with some friends and it was awesome. Like I had a great time. But okay, Ariana Grande, I don't want to listen to you right now. No, we are going to a toy run, I think. Toy ride? I don't know, question mark. Yeah, so it's something different. We've never done it before. I've done smaller rides before at the dealership that I worked at, but nothing like this. It's supposed to be, I mean, big, like a lot of riders, and we'll see. We're gonna get shot. All of these Harley people, and we're the only ones on sport bikes. It's kind of funny. Figures. Can you tell I'm with a whole bunch of Harleys? Because, yeah. This is quite funny. Awesome. Well, hit me up when you do. We'll go ride. It was good to see you. Anyway, yeah, that was my friend I went to college with. This is insane. I'm like, this is awesome. Yeah, so we're like the only, me, Jaime, and then the dude behind us, I don't know what kind of bike he's got, but it's like a stunt bike. So I think we're the only 3 sport bikes. It's a good event. Like, I think this is the 40th annual Amarillo Toy Run or something that Harley puts on, so wow, he did a wheelie. Did you see that, guys? He did a wheelie. This is really cool. Get the whole ride away to the road, and it's sick. Super exciting. All of the motorcycles, it goes all the way up there. I'm not sure how much y'all can see, but GoPros kind of suck with that kind of stuff. Wow. That's not me, guys. My exhaust, I don't have an exhaust. Hey. Like an exhaust. I don't know which one I want to go with. I think the Two Brothers one, the carbon fiber. I feel like that would look better. All going to the Harley dealership. I think we're in the middle of the group. I guess we'll find out. When we get to Harley, but those things are cool. I'll stay with the group. This is a really neat thing, so I'd rather just all of the motorcycles. How many times am I gonna say that? I don't want to get stuck in that. Yep, all of the Harleys. It's crazy. All of this is for a good cause, though. That's all that matters. I didn't record much through that toy run, but it was a lot of fun. Like, it's so cool to see all of the the people who really care for the kiddos and want to help them. And I don't know, they'll post on Facebook how many people ended up showing up, but there was, probably at least 300 bikes, 200 bikes. There was a lot. So it was a good turnout. I'm glad there was a good turnout because it was a lot of fun. It was different for me and Jaime. I don't know where James went. Jaime, damn it, fuck. I don't know where Jaime went. We're supposed to go to a barbecue store, but I don't know where that... Ooh, coffee sounds good. Where did he go? Oh, I see him. Nowhere. Near. I'm dirted. We're gonna smoke a turkey for Thanksgiving. I'm super excited for that. How dare you leave me? So anyway, before we went into the barbecue store, we are actually going to try smoking a turkey for Thanksgiving because today is the 24th, well, at least when I'm vlogging. But yeah, we're gonna try smoking a turkey. This is the first time we're doing something on our own. I'm far away from my parents. His parents are out of town this year, so we're gonna do something on our own. And so we just thought we smoke a lot of briskets and ribs and stuff like that, so we just figured it's like, we'll try a turkey because we've never tried smoked turkey before, either of us. So I don't know, it's different, but hopefully this is good footage for you guys. There was a lot of Harleys and only 3 sport bikes, so I felt kind of left out, but lots of cool Harleys. The paint jobs, it's just amazing how much money they spend on paint jobs. It's like, I should have taken a picture of a couple of them and posted in this vlog, but oh my gosh, y'all, holy fuck, that shit is, whew, it was so pretty. But that has to be, I mean, for the paint job, that's probably more than the bike is worth. So sorry, I don't have that kind of money. Okay guys, well, I've been all over the place today. It has been a long time since I've actually vlogged, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here and put some of the Colorado footage in here and see where that goes. And hopefully I will actually get on my bike more and vlog more. I've been on my bike, it's just the vlogging that I haven't been doing. Yeah, me and Jaime have done a couple trips where I haven't taken the vlog like I should have, but that's because I'm lazy and I forgot about the GoPro batteries. So yeah, well, I'll end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye guys.